So I'm putting the food down. Search for it.
Ah, do you know what is the food?
No. So you're what you are saying?
We actually too much. It is what it is. Okay, yeah. So we're back again. So this is my food challenge, yeah. So I'm here with a friend, Afiba, Madam Helen.
His wife.
Okay. And the thing is, we'll be eating with blindfold. Okay, so yeah.
So I'm going to wrap their eyes with the nothing and then.
Hey, what maybe I say so?
And the food is rice and
rice with okro
soup. Yeah.
You walk around. Do you see what is this? You don't see anything. Where was she?
No, I used to do.
Like that.
So basically, you have to search for the food and eat.
I'm coming.
Okay.
So guys, I'm bringing the food. You guys should stay tuned. You shouldn't go anywhere.
And what did you say? Sindaco?
Actually ready, pa. Hey, Edelache, what's up?
Bye.
Okay.
So guys, I'm putting the food on their faces. You have to search for it. Search for it. Echo.
Oh no, wait, sure. Oh, die, Gina.
Very sure.
Okay, this is the food. Hey, oh, Najina, you know
So guys,
you are still coming.
This is the food, guys. They have to search for the food. So I'm putting the food down. Search for it.
Ah, do you know what is the food? Where is
the food?
The food is here. Search for it.
Where's the food? That is interesting.
This is the food. Search for it. Die. Okay. So.
Okay.
Now you have to start eating. You should finish the food. Sindaco is finishing. Hey, Helen is almost done. Yay! So guys, are you watching them? Yay! You see who we saw? Hey, Helen is almost done. Yay! So guys, if you are watching, just look at them. Yeah. Hey, look at Sindaco. Hey.
Right.
Who is here?
Wow.
Yeah. So we'll see who finishes first. Sindaco.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, look at me. Put that down.
No.
Wait them.
No.
I don't.
No, let them. That's what I'm trying to do.
No, me fa count here. Me fa count here.
No,
No, Sindaco here. Me fa count here. Yeah. So you're what you are saying?
We actually too much. We actually too much. No. We actually no. Yeah,
the video.
I don't need me to be
I'm ready to say.
No, I'm in the door.
No.
Put that on your hands. I don't know. Put it on that too.
Ah, Gina, I'm doing. I'm so dead. I can't be there. No, Gina, what did you do? I know die. No, Gina, what did you do? I can't be there.
Yeah.
No.
My food is not like
You don't give me what's up?
I say me and Sanda. Where's my food? No, that is not fair. Hey, Jesus.
Don't judge. No. They have to judge. No, they have to judge. Hold on. They have to judge. They have to judge. Please, who won?
Please, who won?
I didn't mean to cry me.
Mama, no, she's shaming.
Who won, please? Who won? Because this lady is not being fair.
Who won? Ellen. It's Ellen. Ellen, who won? Che, who won?
This one is cheating. Okay, so who was cheating? The man won. Arukodo.
Yeah, I also helped the man.
Oh, Gina, corruption, pani.
Arukodo. Okay. Yeah, Arukodo.
Oh, like seriously?
Yeah, like dog. Like dog.
So, ebusianfo Ghana. Na se opese wo send this kama wo download the Lemonade Finance app no ewo App Store, Google Play Store. Never send this scammer webusianfo omo Ghana. Lemonade Finance app no free. So we send this guy free. Very easy and very secure too. Exchange rates no so the best on the market. And to catch our webusianfo omo abotre there's some person who send this scammer omo use Lemonade Finance. Ubetimi download the Google Play Store, any Apple App Store. Kai say Lemonade Finance free, easy, fast, and our exchange rates no so the best on the market.